Professor Koala, you climb so gracefully. It's like you're dancing with the tree. Thank you. Years of practice, my boy. Shall we begin our walk? See how easily my claws grip the bark. It's all about technique, young one. That is incredible, Master Koala. You make it look so simple.
Do koalas sleep a lot? Koalas sleep many hours. What do koalas eat? I eat eucalyptus leaves every day. Why is your grip so strong? My claws help me hold trees tightly.
Do baby koalas stay with mothers?
Yes, baby koalas ride on mothers.
Why is your nose so big?
My nose helps me smell fresh leaves.
Are koalas quiet animals?
Yes, koalas stay calm and quiet.
Are koalas awake at night?
Yes! Koalas are active at night.
I learned many koala facts.
Subscribe for more animal adventures.